Hi, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at the Boonville in Missouri Tractor Show. Sponsored by the Missouri River Valley Steam Engine Association. Let's go check it out. That's the squeakiest train I've ever heard. Except for last year when I was here. Harrison Machine Works, Belleville, Illinois. Oh, May 1917. We got a machine that's taking the rocks and making dust out of them. I'm guessing for concrete, maybe? Maybe not. This time I'm paying attention. It's almost high noon. We're gonna check out the high noon whistle. So get ready for something loud. You're lucky on your side, it won't get that loud. It's a pretty neat little case tractor. A little bitty one. Are they snoozing? Do we not get a whistle? Huh. Guess not. This one's a baker.
Okay.
High noon whistle. That's disappointing. Let's see what else we can find around here. I'm sure there's something pretty cool. That's a pretty cool looking truck. Peterbilt. They have a really big junk selection. This is only part of it.
No, I guess I have one more pedal.
You recognize that sound? Can you hear it? This engine's majestic.
Come over here.
I've not seen one of those before. John Deere 112T with tracks.
When you dump it in there, watch for debris.
So you might be able to tell me, is that stock or is that an option? I got another dumb question for you. What is that? Looks like they're stirring something by shaking it, I guess. I don't know. It's cool. Look at this. Back in good old days, yeah, start up your motor to wash your laundry. Yeah, I'll do it that way any day of the week over by hand. Any day of the week. Much better than hand sawing. Oh, they got a big barn full of engines. Let's go check it out. Now here's something you don't see every day. powering. Little bitty steam engine. So what is that? They got a new barn. Let's check this out. More engines. Magnetic Prairie Manufacturing Company. I don't think I've seen one of those. 1914 Phillips. I'm not that brave, but why not? Where's the car? Where's it go? Right there? All right.
Put your hand over it, suck it right in, and...
All right. All right, I'm ready.
Yep. Feel the suction?
Yeah.
Anything yet?
No, I just feel suction, that's it.
It is sucking though?
Yeah, it was sucking.
If I get enough breath, I'll go again. Put your hand on it again. You should suck it in. We get close.
Okay. Well, that one sucked more than the other one. That one definitely sucked more than the other one. That one definitely had more suction than the other one.
We're getting close. Man, it's holding the exhaust valve open.
Okay.
If the exhaust valve held open, there's no suction. It's just flying. And then when the governor kicks out, it allows that exhaust valve to close, creates suction, intake, combustion. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that's for coasting. So. See that governor right there? It's saying there's no more.
Well, that was a fail. Oh well. I did my part. Held the carburetor. My hand was the choke. In case you didn't know how that works. Like a carburetor, choke closes it, and then it sucks more air in. Especially handy like when your car is cold, or any engine really. There's more to it than that, but generally speaking.